Hello everyone, today we will be carrying out Nodepay climate operations together. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and to join our Telegram channels. Let's get into the details. As you may recall, the Nodepay listing was set for January 17th with a 3-day delay to comply with OKEX's listing schedule following the announcement of the OKEX listing. But they did not delay the air conditioning process and activated it yesterday evening. And you can now make withdrawals directly to your active left main wallets or KX exchange. I'll be showing you how to do this practically in just a moment. Aside from that, since there aren't any other details changing in the listing process at the moment, I think it would be sufficient to just show this in the video. If you have something you want to ask, I think we can discuss directly from the comments. Look, when we look at Nodepay's own announcement, it mentions that we can currently actively withdraw Nodepay's own coin airdrop to OKX. They have already given us a date regarding this process. It says until 3 p.m. Turkish time on January 16th. It says you can directly place a withdrawal order to the OKX exchange. After that, you will be able to do things like that. Again, you will be able to withdraw to your Phantom wallets and so on, but you probably won't be withdrawing directly to OKX. It's good for you to know this. Of course, logically speaking, withdrawing directly to OKEX might be more beneficial. Why? First, let's go to the climate page from here. Please check the link to the climate page multiple times. Even though I'm sure I've clicked on the note and the announcement itself, I'm still checking this page 2-3 more times. Why am I checking it? Because you never know what might happen. When you look at it, it's the site claim.nodefoundation.ai. Aside from this, if you enter any other domain or site, please do not connect your wallet. Check this a few times because, as I said, a lot of scammers will emerge during this process. When you look at it, they have given a total period of 47 days, which is about 1.5 months. As I said, they will allow us to claim that cake for 1 to 2 days. After that, you will be able to get your normal Phantom wallets. And during this process, if you don't take action, I think it will probably be burned within those 47 days. To do this, first, we need to connect our Phantom wallet, or rather our Solana wallet, to verify whether you are eligible for the airdrop or not. If you don't have access to your Solana wallet, you need to find a way to access that Solana wallet because there is no other option. Connect a Solana wallet. It's asking you to connect here. Unfortunately, it doesn't offer you any other options. So you can't directly connect and check your Nodepay account right now. I said unlock from here, and when I gave the approval to connect from here, as you can see, the airdrop I earned directly from Nodepay is visible here. When you look at it, it offers me two options. It says you can directly get the Solana wallet. It says you can directly get the OKX exchange, transfer wallet to Solana. I will show you how you can get it. Let me say something for your friends who will directly transfer the wallet to a Solana wallet. Right now you can withdraw to OKX, but you can't withdraw to the Solana wallet. You can't withdraw to the Solana wallet either because the withdrawals to the Solana wallet will take place following the listing. So whenever the listing happens, which will take place on the 17th at 1 p.m. Turkish time. After that, the air conditioners will be activated directly and you can take your wallets and transfer them to the exchange and buy, etc. You will be able to trade, but I need to give you a warning here. If you perform the claim operations and token transfer operations to the exchange through the Phantom wallet or any Solana wallet, you may need to pay a fee. You will need about $2 to $3 worth of Solana coin. You need to transfer this to your Phantom wallet. But right now, there's nothing wrong with withdrawing directly to OKX like in the video, just like I did with Jax. So I want to pay a lot too. But in the meantime, I want to pay a lot because in the meantime, I want to pay a lot because in the meantime, I want to pay a lot. You can transfer it to your exchange account. Now let's come to this point. As you can see here, there are two pieces of information that it requires from us. One is our OKX Solana deposit address. The other is our OKX user ID. Now, when we log into the OKX exchange from here, we can find the user ID directly in the UID section by going to the Profile tab. If you're using the mobile app, you can enter the Profile section at the top left of OKX and then go into the details to see your UID directly. You paste it here like this. It needs to be a long series of numbers. After that, we log in to get the Solana deposit address using the UID. Here, we click on the deposit option. We click on the deposit option from Asus. And from here, we need to select Solana directly. Right now, when you search for Notcoin itself, as you can see, this also comes up. This is probably asking us to deposit this. When you look at it, we are depositing directly as Solana because I can even show it like this. Now, when you look at it, you see this address. For example, when I select Solana from here, it will probably give the same address. Exactly as you can see, you can check it out. It starts with 8CG and ends with ACO. Now I've come here and I selected the same address again, because addresses like this don't change on exchanges, they remain fixed. So you can copy it directly from here. Why am I specifically saying this? Now, as you can see, it's asking for your Solana deposit address from here, but what did we select here? I'm saying it again, it doesn't matter. Since the Solana network is selected directly, we paste it here. After that, we accept everything from here, we accepted it, and then we confirm our tokens. From the moment we said that, it will have registered to transfer its exchange, and the transfer operations will take place at the time of listing. I don't know if it will happen before the listing, because when you look at the announcement, it says that the deposit process for the tokens is okay for our account. It says it will be done during the TG period. So it says it will be on the 17th of the 15th month. So when it comes to the listing, will we have an account or not? I'm not completely sure about that. If I said otherwise, it would be a lie. We will all experience this together. Since we will be live on YouTube during the listing process, I think we will all see it together. After you click confirm from here, as you can see, it sends a signature to our wallet. After giving this signature, as you can see, we didn't receive any receipts or anything from us. We did what we needed to do to list all our NG tokens on the OKEX exchange. We've done it. We've given our command. So what will we do from here? We will wait for our coins to arrive at the OKEX exchange, and once our coins arrive, we will be able to use them for trading. For now, what we can say and explain in general is related to the process. I'm saying it again, we will be live on YouTube during the listing of Nodepay. As of today, I have already set up something related to this. I have set up a timer, and I will be waiting for all of you in that live broadcast. I hope it will be a useful broadcast. Let's say I hope it will be a useful listing and airdrop process for us. And let's come to the end of the video. If you have any questions or concerns, you can reach me via comments or via our Telegram chat channel. Wishing you all a great day. I wish you all great profits.